Hey, peekaboo, mommy. Where's Grayson? There she is, peekaboo. Where'd you go? Where's Grayson at? Where's Grayson? There she is. Hi, sweet girl. Good morning. Good morning. I love you. Where's Grayson? She's hiding from mommy. Hi. Are you waving at me this morning? You sure are happy this morning. Are you still sleepy? I love you. Say good morning, mommy. Good morning. What's he looking for? You gonna get out? Can you say good morning? Good morning. Hello, pretty girl. What are you doing? I see you. Careful, you bump your head. Say, uh-oh, it got me. Alright, let's go get ready. Can you give me a big smile? Say cheese. Cheese. Oh, that's a good cheese. You like saying cheese, don't you?